6 only, both the ports will be set. Because 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0. And after that, these are just the port setting. That is, you are initially setting the GPIO P to all ones, and then you are setting it on setting only the red LED to the output mode. So that's what happens here. So it's 4 zeros, and over here it is 0, 1, 0, 0. So because of that, only the red LED, which is PB13, will be set to the output mode. So what happens here is that it is checking for the switch is pressed or not. So since this is the input data register, whenever the button is pressed, 1 will appear there. So when that reading is done, then it goes into the if statement. Whenever I press the button, the LED will come. So those are the ones.
Okay, actually, how the solution identify what is the problem
Yeah,
solved?
Okay. So for that, like sir explained yesterday, we have to go into the debug mode. And when I was into the debug mode only, I first of all got to know the addresses were wrong.
Yeah, understood.
Or else we'll have to go to the data sheet and check each and every address. If we like go into the debugger mode,
We fix the address.
So address right or wrong, understand the debugger mode.
Yes.
So actually, what are the mistakes? No, every day regularly, it should not student doing the common mistakes. No, the common mistakes. We are.
so here you can directly access the addresses. So for example, if we have GPIOC, the model is at this address. So you can compare the address here. So that's the base of this problem, I guess. If I'm not. Then after that, a little bit of logical mistakes here, which was corrected and we got.
Just checking.